Yo. Sorry.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Susie and happy new year. This is my first video of the year. I haven't filmed for like 2 weeks and I've been feeling so down, so depressed. Thank God I'm almost back on my feet. It's been tough. I've been going through some tough things, and I'm usually the person people even come to for advice and stuff, and I've been going through these things myself, and I'm asking myself, why am I letting myself go through this? Anyways, that's a story for another day, but I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful, I'm feeling a little bit like myself, and today I'm gonna come to you with an eyebrow tutorial. It's gonna be a quick one. So what you'll be needing is a spoolie, any spoolie of your choice, and I'm gonna be using the benefitkabrow in the color 5. I think this goes up to a 6. I'm not too sure, but I've been loving these. And I'm gonna be using the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Am I even holding this thing right? Okay, and we needed a brush, any brush of your choice, but this is what I have right here. And we'll go on with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Deep Olive. Let's see if this thing can focus. Yeah, so these are all the things I need, and this is just one of the ways I do my brow. I have different ways of doing my brows. So what you want to start with is you just brush your brows. Mine are kind of bushy, so you brush, and I'm going with the Benefit 24 brow setter. I'm just gonna set that. And let it dry for some few seconds or say minutes. So what you want to do now is use your cream eyeliner, and this is the one of my choice. It's really small, but it lasts a very long time. So it comes with a brush like this, and this is nasty. Okay, but what you want to do is just put a little bit of the color. I try to start as light as possible. So and I just fill in the sparse areas. Go down and draw a line right there, and use a very light hand and just keep filling the sparse areas. I go kind of heavy on the tail of the eyebrow, so I'm gonna add some more color, but you can go as light as you want. I try to go a little bit lighter here and then heavy towards the tail. So I just keep filling all the sparse areas and with a very, very light hand. Okay. And that's just to make your eyebrows look as natural as possible. So this is how they look. I'm gonna do this one off camera and then come back. So right now I have my eyebrows looking the way I want them to look. So what I'm gonna use now is just a concealer to clean it up and make it look nice and crisp. So I just got a little bit of concealer on my brush. So what I'm gonna do is clean this up. And usually I will just do this a little bit heavy, and you can go as light or as light-handed as possible, but I'm just gonna bring this down because I'm gonna do my makeup as well off camera, and maybe I'm gonna come back later and just show you how everything just works together. So this looks really nice. Sometimes I'll go with the same, maybe just with the same brush, and just try to clean up a little bit right here. You see? And sometimes I'll just use the foundation I'm using for the day to clean up on the sometimes I'm just going to use the foundation I'm using to clean up this part. But today I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Okay, maybe I'll just use the concealer. So this is really easy. This takes me literally 3 to 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. But it takes me a little bit longer because I'm trying to explain as I go. I'm going to do this one off camera and then come back with the finished product so you can see. So this is how they look. And you can use a clean brush to just blend the concealer. And since I'm going to do an easy eyeshadow look, I'm just gonna try to blend as much as possible. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. So this is a very, very easy tutorial, and it just looks nice and clean. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yo. Sorry. Turn it up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Yeah. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. When she goes dirty like a pig.